Customer is looking to get an estimate to redo their front area. The original question was if they could repair this. The answer is absolutely not. This is falling apart all over the place. So I told her I wouldn't bid to repair it. We'll only bid to replace it, and we're going to give them 3 different options. In all of these options, the risers will be made out of dolomite, and the treads will be made out of Tennessee crab. So not just the treads, but the treads slash landing slash patio area out of Tennessee crab. So the first way is going to be basically exactly how they currently have it. It's a wet set process. So we have to inspect the footings, make sure that those are doing what they're supposed to be. All the joints will have to be wet set. There are 3 pillars along here. All of those will be wet set. We might consider doing a short pour. I'll leave that. Nah, we'll just do it as a wet set, our standard wet set method. But there will have to be a pour underneath it. The second way is our way, where we would build the risers and all that stuff using the dry set methodology, scraping the joints, all that good stuff. And then we would still use Tennessee crab, but we would use polymeric sand in the joints. The third way is to not do the side over here and just do the step. So they understand that if we take this away and that there's going to be an ugly spot underneath there, but they understand that and they're willing to go with it. So just a quick note, these pillars are 14, the dolomite is 14 inches by 14 inches and the cap is 16 by 16. I want to reuse these caps. These are in great shape. They should be able to be just popped right off. In fact, at least the one that I'm looking at right now is loose. We should be able to reuse this. Should be able to reuse these without any problem. When looking at them, no cracks, no problems whatsoever. They look beautiful. Let's reuse those. I can't say as much about the rest of it. So definitely falling apart. Yeah. Caveat. Very, very difficult access. I highly doubt if we can get up here with a bobcat. Let's go ahead and put a couple of days with a dingo in here. This is by Southwest High School right over here. So just know that in the mornings it's mass chaos. There is no parking on this side of the street, except by permit, 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. So we'll see if we can't get a permit for doing this. Obviously we can stage stuff on the boulevard, but crushed rock and dumpster will have to be dropped and gotten out pretty quick. So they understand it's going to be next year. Yeah, the steps are falling apart. I told her to move her mailbox and just to tie this area off. This is in rough shape. So yeah.